Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, how y'all doing? Hope y'all are okay. Guys, we got 6'7", Dimzy, Monkey, X, SJ. Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, let's get this, man. Hope you're having a lovely day, man. Get it. Guys, smash that like button, man. If I make you smile, hey, smash that like button, man. Subscribe to your boy, man. You see the hard work we put in, man. I appreciate you. Let's get it.
Alright, Fumez, you're plugged in with some real drillers right now. You understand?
Okay. Alright.
OSG.
Announce something.
Jump up, gang.
Jump up, members. Come on. Okay.
Moment
6'7". You already know how we do it in style. 2 waps deep, man, do it in style. He got shot with 2 and your man's got shave times 2. Fucking know that's wild. Watch.
Alright.
Get done, then he made a whole mixtape tweaking how. I'm a winner with a 40 bait. Jump out, gang, you know the 40 bowed. Big men running and diving walls, they leave their friends, I see it's foul. We just jumped back in the dinger and bro's trying to ling out the window again. Trying to scramble your homie's egg with these flat heads. Scrambled egg. Your man's was tweaking, now he's a Z. The 60s done it on bike, done it in cars, done it on pets. We got down
Cold, certified.
Done it and fled. They only talk bad on the gang cause all of them felt some pain and bled. Got done trying to copy my phone. The guys left the in the mess.
Diamonds twerk like a bitch on a pole. This a family, bitch need a roll. Used to hit shots to the back of the road, the front of the alley, you know how it goes. Told the wash on the man's block touring, lit it up like we starting some cold. You ain't lucky lad, get shot and you go talking hammers, we cocked it in low. Lost wax, had to get some more. The ops just rap, they ain't even a score. Too much chat, come ride some more. Multiple dead I can name, but blood in, blood out. My nigga screw had wax from run outs, minimum step.
Nah, he cold too.
I bought the wrap out, smoked the L when your homie tapped out.
Who can tell me what I've been outside? I wet man up, I've gone on ops numerous times. Have you seen con hit man, I make man jump. He's with Scotty and he try runs. Look like you try keep it quiet, but free my ski cause he chefed that up. Just the other day man jumped out and he made the cab man swerve and dust. You know get a man down is essential. Man only got fear of God. Take the risk, ain't new to the man them. Try know that we be
fear of God, say less. Man's only got fear of God.
in them tugs. When you wake up, do you get to the bag? Cause you can't be at war if you got no funds. No, that can't work, my G. I heard the ops want murder we. Cause we all be calling us personally. That rapper ain't mash no words, so they way they rap tread carefully. It was all this and that next thing, they'll need help urgently. Hell up, time surgery, a good few went permanently.
Hey, nah, that flow is crazy. Nah, you had a crazy flow right there.
Fumez, the engineer.
Hey, another one.
out now. Free all the guys, free Scrib, free M, free C Rolls, free
Hey, call me
ASAP.
2 verses, yo. Hey. Yes,
Free
that
S.
was
A lot of
nice.
people ask us, how is CDOT funded? Where do you get your money from?
Free smoke.
Simple answer,
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The glee had the whistle and he got deleted. Can't ask me if
Come on, man. Who are these producers, though?
Russell ain't seen it, no one ain't rubbed, we undefeated. Countless man got caught and pleaded. Headshot ching and his scalp receding. We take risks like bro from Brompton. Got bun and he almost rubbed out. Got chef and cut out. Nosy lads, he done out. 4-4, spun and dropped. Thought he's hitting a shot. Thought it was a scrum and guess what, man, them still got the dots.
No debate, when we step on your block, we just tryna put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made
Nah, they cold. Come on.
took him out of a frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to Bangkok. Ain't got no glass, doing grip it with socks. Talking war, then my brothers, we move like the SWAT. Hop out, I wish let it rock. Yo, I got faith in bro and his foot down scurrying. Kinda Nissan to a German, for the truck.
Man said to a Nissan to a German.
Not suburban, check the alleys when we swerving. Ain't tryna hit up an innocent person. Pop smoke, we ain't into cursing. Politics, you gon' need a surgeon.
When catfish gangs on a hunt, it's the first to get done. Thought he was gonna get top, but he got himself, didn't get slop. You know we're coming if you get us a drop. Wherever you are, man's riding along. Carbine strong, no ping pong. Fling it, we're gone. 60s roll anywhere ganging. Your man's got. What you know about slide
Fumez done turned to the Charlie Sluffer drill. Y'all know what time.
on the ops, taping it up. Slide back and check if it's locked. He got, and he got, and he got. The list is long, I'll be here all day just naming ops.
2-step on your block, all fun that works. Either way, take risk and prosper. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Grab the boots, let's play some soccer. On attack, like Mbappe, blicking my hand as I hop out the passy. Anything get smoked like Kelly, the gang seem home free, L3 Mali.
Walk one for these dickheads. The 6 ain't felt
This guy funny, man.
don't get back. Then he meant that, all that rap, that man can't respect that. 2 wax, me and M through. Try to paint that block with the head back. Nearly all the man then went bin and they thought was done. That's a minor setback.
Everyone knows that I love me some runts. He was tweaking away, now he's nothing but runts. Skunk. Took shots to the face, to the chest. No, he ain't thinking. Grammy got. We done how we done up. You know we left the.
Niggas just blabbing everybody, yeah?
Drunk.
Crazy, yeah.
Fumez, the engineer.
Yeah, done up, man. Y'all know what time it is. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for joining me on this one, man. Y'all know what time it is. Subscribe to your boy, man. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Subscribe, smash that like button, let's get it, man. I appreciate y'all. Have a lovely day. Take care. Stay true to yourselves.